Okay, so today we're going to be learning about the Pythagorean theorem, but first we have to learn about the parts of a triangle. Okay, so we have this triangle here, which is a right triangle shown by this box, which denotes that this angle is a right angle. Okay, so these two little sides are called legs. This big side is called the hypotenuse. Okay, so now we're going to learn about what the Pythagorean theorem really is. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle with legs A and B, a squared plus b squared equals the hypotenuse, which is denoted as c squared. Okay, so now we're going to use this in a few problems. Okay, so we know that the theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we have a right triangle with sides 3 and 4. So we're going to try to find this side, which is also c. Okay, so we're going to take one of the legs and we're going to square it. So 3 squared plus the other side squared, which is going to be 4 squared, equals c squared. Okay, so now we're going to take 3 squared, which is 9, and add it to 4 squared, which is 16, to get c squared, which is 25, equals c squared, which gets the hypotenuse, which is c, as 5. Wasn't that easy? Now we're going to try it on another practice problem. For this problem, we're going to have sides 6, 8. We're going to try to find this side. Okay, so we know that the theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so a squared, that's going to be one of the side square. We're going to use 6 squared, plus the other side, which is 8 squared, equals c squared. Okay, so now 6 squared is 36, and 8 squared is 64. So that's going to mean that 100 equals c squared. And we all know that 10 is 10 squared equals 100, so 10 equals c. Okay, so today we learned that in a right triangle, this box here represents a right angle. Let me write that in. These two sides represent legs, and this side represents the hypotenuse. Let me write that in. Okay, so we also learned that in a right triangle with sides A, B as legs, and C as the hypotenuse, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.